Okay, hi, my name is Nick Phillips. I'm posting this as an assignment for my professional communications course, TCOM 2400. My instructor is Holly Radcliffe. What we were supposed to do was make a set of instructions that someone could follow and then post it to YouTube. I didn't have a YouTube account, never posted anything to YouTube, so what I chose to do my set of instructions on was how to create a YouTube account. This is my daughter Kaylee.
Hi.
It's her birthday today. She's 17. She was my one and only volunteer. My wife refused. So she will attempt to follow my instructions to create her YouTube account, which she does not have. Nonetheless, Kaylee, there's a notebook in front of you. If you have any comments along the way, I can use them. If you'll jot them down, I can use them in my review and my revising of my instructions for my second set. I'm not allowed to help you along the way, so let's get started.
Okay. How to create a YouTube account. No. You will need access to a computer to follow these instructions, which I have. Also, if you are using a touchscreen interface, when the instructions state click, you will have to touch the area where you are instructed to click, which I don't got to worry about because I don't have touchscreen. Alright, step 1, log on to your computer and choose a web browser. Okay, I'm already logged on. Not all web browsers are the same, but these instructions should work universally. Examples of web browsers are Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Safari. I think I'm going to go with Firefox. Okay. Step 2, type the URL below into the browser address bar at the top of your screen and hit enter or return. Okay. www.youtube.com. Okay. Step 3, the YouTube homepage should now be loaded. Okay. In the top right hand corner of your screen, click sign in icon or button. This will take you to another screen. Okay. Sign in. Right. Step 4. Now to create a YouTube account, click the Create an Account icon next to the words New to YouTube in the top right hand portion of the screen. This will take you to an additional screen. New to YouTube account. Okay. Step 5. Your screen should now have blocks of questions asking for your information. Okay? Enter your name, choose a Google username, and enter it in the space provided. Okay, enter my name. Okay. Choose a Google username and enter it into the space provided. Brooks Kaylee. gmail.com. Okay. Create a password and then confirm the password by retyping it. Someone's already had this. 17. Okay. Create a password. I'll go with...
I wouldn't tell you your password now.
Okay, I won't. Okay. You will need to enter. You will need to enter your birthday, gender, mobile phone number, starting with the area code, and your current email address next. Your phone number and email address is optional. Okay. phone number or my email address. Okay. There is a verification process that follows the email address, where you type in the random letters and numbers. Pay particular attention to the capitalization of the code. If you need help, a different code, or what a audio challenge instead, there are little icons directly to the right of the space provided to enter the code. Okay. Please type 2 pieces of text. I hope that's right. Okay. Oh, gotta pay attention to the capitalization. D. D. Okay. Oh, that's what I do. Okay. Next, you will need to enter your location, United States, and agree to the Google terms and conditions after you read them. Okay?
For the purpose of having a short video, you speed read.
I'm a quick reader. And I'm going to agree. Alright. I agree. Okay. You can choose to take part in Google +1 personalization, which is located directly below agreeing to the terms and conditions. After completing the required information, click next step. I don't really want to. Okay. Get mixed up on the computers. Use at least 8 characters. Don't use a password from other site or something. Yes, 8 your password. Okay.
I'm going to move the screen up so you can't see your password. And got your fingers counting how many. That's great.
Oh gosh, I'm messing up. Oh, finally it's gonna let me.
Well,
Okay. I guess I have to. These characters you entered didn't match the word verification. I'm gonna try again. Make it so weird to read these. Alright. Step 6. You're almost done. You can now add a profile picture or click next step. If you choose to add a profile picture, you can follow the prompts to complete this task. After you click next step, a welcome page will appear and you can revisit YouTube by clicking back to YouTube. Okay, I don't want to add a profile picture right now. So
If anybody wants to know what she looks like, that's her.
Yep. Alright, I think I'm just going to click next. Okay. Once back to YouTube, you can update your homepage, subscribe to YouTube channels, or just browse around. I don't know if I should like click back to YouTube.
It's fine. Any problems you have, that's what I want to. That'll help me in my review.
Okay. I'm just going to do that. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I hope you enjoy all that YouTube has to offer. Okay, I made the account.
Wonderful. Thank you, Kaylee. I appreciate it. And my daughter did make a note. I made one along the way. And her note was, looks like from that last step, do I click back to YouTube? And that'll be something I need to revisit. I might have maybe need to break that up a little bit, reword it. I'll look at that.
Yeah, I didn't know if I had to click something up at the top or just
Gotcha.
click back to that.
So the next step, or the next thing that I noticed was I need to maybe add some cautions or notes earlier in the steps when they were creating a password and a username that something to the effect of if your username's taken on the screen, it'll give you options and you can try it again. And then also to make sure your password's accepted before continuing. That seemed to, especially since you have to re-enter those fuzzy letters. So I just want to thank everybody for, well, my instructor for watching. Honestly, hope nobody else views this. But anyways, and that's me. Thank you. I don't know if that, I'm not familiar with her phone that I'm using, so I'm not quite sure how to do all that. So I want to go ahead and, I guess, sign off. Thanks a lot.